Unpacking, packed out. Understand this English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, packed out. Whether you're at a concert, in a restaurant, or at any public venue, this term can pop up, and it's essential to understand what it means and how to use it. So, let's unpack the meaning of packed out together. The phrase, packed out, is an informal way of saying that a venue or space is very crowded or full of people. It conveys the idea that there's hardly room for more individuals. But it's not just about being full. It also carries a nuance of being filled to the point of bursting, suggesting a bustling and lively atmosphere. Packed out is often used when describing social events or public places. For instance, the concert was packed out. We could barely move. We wanted to dine at our favorite restaurant, but it was packed out. It's not typically used for describing a schedule or something non-physical being full. So you wouldn't say, my day is packed out. Instead, you might say, my day is packed, meaning it's very busy. Understanding synonyms can broaden your vocabulary. For packed out, similar phrases include crowded, jam-packed, full to the brim, overflowing. While these synonyms can be used in similar contexts, the choice might depend on the intensity and nuance you wish to convey. Let's see how packed out works in different sentences. We arrived late and the theater was already packed out. They hosted a party that was so packed out, guests spilled onto the lawn. The festival was packed out from morning till night. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be and help you get a feel for its real-world application. Now that you've learned all about the phrase, packed out, you can confidently use it to describe crowded places and lively events. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using packed out in a sentence today. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.